What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino, and today a little out of the normal for me. I don't usually do hotels. I do occasionally, but the prices I charge, they usually don't want to hire me. If you're getting into the business, and a lot of people are talking about hotel jobs, just heads up, they don't really want to pay. They're really going for the lowest bidder. But in my case, I just hold off, and when they need me, they call me. I give them my normal price, $40 a room, just like my residential. And there's actually another room that's a little larger than this with the extra. I'm charging $70, and they got no problem with it because they're understaffed right now. And I guess their regular in-house carpet cleaner person is not working, or I don't know, something's going on with that. So basically, it's the same routine. What we're doing is we're pre-scrubbing or pre-spraying, using carpet detail. I got a little bit of fragrance in here, deodorizer in here to help with deodorizer. And I'm using, I think Joe something from Wander's product. It smells really pleasant. I just put a little bit, I don't do recommend it. So just like a little bit of pleasant smell. Be good for this place. So I just mixed a little bit in with my carpet details. These rooms are not bad. A couple spots, I'm not sure what that is, but we'll get that with the organic treatment. Might be coffee or something. They don't want us to move anything, just kind of around everything. Traffic areas. So I'm really careful not to hit furniture and stuff like that. But the cleaning solution that I do use, it's not going to damage anything. Neutral pH. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Air conditioning is always on in these rooms, it seems, and that's going to help for drying. So there's a lot of people doing carpet cleaning a lot of different ways, and whatever works for them. Really, I do it my way, and I'm learning all the time, so I'm changing up all the time. And lucky for you guys, I'm sharing everything I learned. And I take criticism with a grain of salt, because I'm not here to be the #1 carpet cleaner in the world. As far as the Mr. Teacher, the guy who thinks he knows it all, and I'm not selling any kind of products, or that's not my platform on YouTube. My platform on YouTube is to help entrepreneurs get into this business, teach them how to do it, teach them the basics, show them what I use, and then if they can start off using what I'm using, and then they can go off and do whatever they want to do. But I showed them how to get into the business in a good way, with proper safe solutions, and just a whole business foundation that they can build that's going to set them up for success. So we got the Namco floor wash going on here, and this thing right here, Brenda's liking it. It's easy to maneuver around, and it scrubs really good. And so while she's pre-scrubbing everything, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the hose and stuff. stay tuned. This is 20 volume right here. By the time I get to this room, should be gone. Usually coffee, guys, or something organic. I know I seen something over here. A little bit of color. Not too sure about that. That may have been in there a while. It doesn't look like coffee. It looks like actual stain. There was a big stain here, and just by spraying and agitating, it's already gone. Nice. Packed up and rolled them up and moved to the other side of the parking lot. We were way over there, and so we're doing all these in a row. Total of 6, not all of them. And then the last one we're gonna do upstairs, so we're close to the stairway. That way we can run the hoses up last and get them nice and clean. Yeah, so I already pre-sprayed these 3 rooms, waiting on one get cleaned. And then we're going to do that. So we're going to hit these 4 and then kind of move on to some more. All right, so this is stuff I was talking about. Really good for odor, I guess. It smells really good. You don't have to put much. I mean, literally 2 ounces a gallon is going to make it pretty strong. So for this, I'd literally put like ½ ounce per gallon just to get a little fresh smell in there. Free, so you know, any more than that would have to charge. This room's a little larger. This actually has another room to it. So there's 2 of these, so we actually charged $70 for these rooms. There was a big stain right here. Pretty much disappeared on contact. Alright, all finished up. Probably got food all on my teeth. So we're eating at the hotel. Black Oak casseroles. And yeah, went well. Didn't it go well? Yeah, so we're gonna eat. See you in the next one.